Hello kids, welcome to today's maths class, and today we'll do exponents or powers. Powers. Sometimes we come across very large or very small numbers. Writing these numbers in full form is a difficult process. For example, distance of sun from the earth, that is that much kilometer, or mass of Uranus. Mass of Uranus is this much. So it is very difficult to read these numbers. It is difficult to read, write and compare such large numbers. Calculation with such large numbers are very tedious. We face similar problem if we want to write the measure of the radius of the helium atom as like 0.00000011 centimeter. So it is very difficult to read and write these kind of number. In that case, in the following case, we use exponent. Area of square equals to side multiplied by side means side is to power 2. Volume of the cube, that is side multiplied by side means cube of side. Cube of 5, that is equals to 5 into 5 into 5, that is 125. Thus cube of 5, that is 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5, that is 125. Here 5 is the number that is multiplied by itself is called the base, and 3, the number of time 5 is multiplied by itself, is called the exponent, index or power. So here 5 is the base and 3 is the power or exponent. Clear? You have already seen that integer can be written in exponential form. Rational number can also be written in the exponential form. Here are some examples. So product 5 upon 7 into 5 upon 7, so we can write 5 upon 7 ka square. So 5 upon 7 raised to the exponent of power 2 or 5 upon 7 ka square. So we can write like this also. Now we will take an example, expand each of the following and also write base and exponent. So first is 3 is to power 5. So we can write 3 is to power 5 as 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 5 times 3. So here the base is 3 and the exponent or power is 5. Clear? Next, law of exponent. Let a and b be any real number, then m and be positive integer, then a is to power m multiplied by a is to power n equals to a is to power m plus n. Here base is same a, so powers जो है exponent that will add. In this case a is to power m upon a is to power n. So base same है, power क्या हो जाएंगी, subtract हो जाएगी, a is to power m minus n. In this case a is to power m multiplied by n, that is a is to power m n. Here a is to power m multiplied by b is to power m. Here base is different but the power is same. So we can write a b is to power m. A is to power m upon b is to power m. We can write a upon b is whole power m. A is to power 0 equals to 1. Means किसी भी के power 0 है, that's value is 1. Now we'll take an example. Find the value of 16 is to power 3 by 2. So 16 can be written as 2 is to power 4. 2 को 4 time multiply करेंगे, we'll get 16. So we can write 16 as 2 is to power 4 and इसकी whole power हो जाएगी 3 by 2. So multiply करेंगे, numerator का numerator से हो जाएगा 4 into 3 upon 2. 4 into 3 12 upon 2, that is 6. 2 is to power 6, that is 64. Clear? Next, tips. If a upon b any non-zero rational number and m is any negative integer, then a upon b is to power minus m, that is equals to b upon a is to power m, or we can write b is to power m upon a is to power m. Now we'll take an example. Solve for m. 5 is to power m divided by 5 is to power minus 4 equals to 5 is to power 6. So 5 की power m divided by 5 is to power minus 4 equals to 5 is to power 6. So ये हो जाएगा divide है, so we can write 5 is to power m minus minus 4 equals to 5 is to power 6. So 5 की पावर हो जाएगी m plus 4 that is equals to 6. Now base same है, we will compare the power. m plus 4 that is equals to 6. So m equals to 6 minus 4 that is 2. So value of m is 2. Now tips. The law of exponent are true even if a and b are integers because all integers are rational number. Now exercise 4a. Expand each of the following and write the base and the exponent. So first is 7 is to power 8. Here base is 7 and exponent is 8 and expand करेंगे हम 8 टाइम्स लिखेंगे. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 times. Clear? So, I have practiced all the question of this exercise. We will move to next topic. Next is radicals and radicands. Let n be the positive integer and x and y be rational numbers such that x equals to y is to power 1 upon n or can written as x equals to n root y. Here from y is to power 1 upon n is called the exponential form and from n root y is called the radical form and the sign root is called the radical sign. The number m is called the index of the radical and y is called the radicand. Let x be the rational number and m and be the positive rational number. Then x is to power m upon n that is equals to x is to power m और उसकी whole power आ जाएगी 1 upon n और nth root of x is to power m. X is to power minus mn that is equals to x is to power minus m and whole power 1 upon n or we can write 1 upon x is to power m whole power हो जाएगी 1 upon n. Example समझते हैं. Find the value of. Our first question is 343 is to power 2 by 3 और whole power है 1 by 2. So 343 can be written as 7 is to power 3. तो हम यहाँ पे लिख देंगे 7 is to power 3. की पावर हो जाएगी 2 by 3 and whole power 1 by 2. Now first we'll solve this. 3 into 2 6 upon 3. So ये हो जाएगी 7 की पावर 2 multiply by 1 by 2. 2 से 2 कट हो जाएगा तो आ जाएगा 7. Clear? Some more examples are given here. You have to practice them. Next is exercise 4b. Express each of the following in the exponential form. First is root 15. So root 15 को we can write 15 is to power 1 by 2. Root हटाते तो power आ जाती है 1 by 2. So this way we can write the root 15 in exponential form. So you have to practice all the questions. Our next topic is use of exponent to express large and small number in standard form. When the number are very large or very small, then it is difficult to read and learn them. Like as speed of light is given here, diameter of the sun, average of diameter of RBC. Such type of numbers are written in standard form. In this method, we place the decimal point just after one digit of the number and the remaining value in the power notation or power of 1. When decimal points move from right to left, the power are positive, while the decimal point move from left to right, the power are negative. Now we'll take an example. Express the following number in standard form. So this is our first number. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. So what we'll do? Decimal से पहले only one number होना चाहिए. So we can write 3.57. तो 5 already 0 था. So 357 into 10 is to power 5. If you place decimal here, so we can write 10 is to power 7. So we can write like this in standard form. Next is exercise 4C. Express the following number in standard form. So our first number, how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we can write 456 into 10 is to power 6. Now we'll place decimal here. So we can write 10 is to power 8. This is the standard form. Clear? So you have to do all the questions. Here we end the chapter. I hope you understand the chapter well. Now you have to practice it.